So students, in this video we are going to study linear combination and spanning. Linear combination and spanning. Linear combination and spanning. Okay. First of all, we see definition of linear combination. Definition of linear combination. Let V be a vector space and V1 bar, V2 bar and so on up to VR bar be vector in V. A vector U bar in V of the form U bar is equals to K1 into V1 bar plus K2 into V2 bar plus and so on plus KR into VR bar where K1 comma K2 and so on up to KR are scalar. KR are scalar. It's called linear combination of the vector. It's called linear combination of the vector not only vector, it is vectors V1 bar, V2 bar and so on up to VR bar. Okay. The scalars are called coefficients of linear combination. Okay. Students, see here, what is linear combination? A vector U bar in V is of the form. Means what? U bar can be written as K1 into V1 bar plus K2 into V2 bar plus and so on up to KR into VR bar. Okay. Where K1, K2, KR are scalar. This is called as linear combination of vectors in V1 bar up to V1 and the scalars are called coefficient of linear equations. Okay. Now see example. Suppose this is example 1. Let V1 bar is equals to triplet 1, 2, 3 and V2 bar is equals to triplet 0, -1, 2 or vector 0, -1, 2. Be vectors in R3. Okay. Show that first vector -1, -4, 1 is a linear combination of V1 bar and V2 bar is a linear combination of V1 bar and V2 bar. B vector 4, 7, 15 is not linear combination. For students, for linear combination, here I will write only L dot C. Okay, of V1 bar and V2 bar. Okay. Now see solution. In first part, we have to show that this vector is a linear combination of V1 bar and V2 bar. Okay. U bar here. See here, students. When U bar is of the form, then U bar is a linear combination of V1 bar, V2 bar and VR bar. So in order to show that u bar. Let this is a u bar. -1 4 1 is linear combination of v1 bar and v2 bar. There must be scalars. There must be scalars. There must be scalars k1 and k2. Two vectors. So here v1 and v2 are two vectors. So there exist two scalars such that this u bar means vector -1, -4, 1 can be written as linear combination of v1 bar means k1 into v1 bar plus k2 into v2 bar. Means what? If this vector equation has a solution, then this vector is a linear combination of v1 bar and v2 bar. If this vector equation has no solution, means values of k1 and k2 does not define or not find, that at that time this vector is not a linear combination of v1 bar and v2 bar. If k1 and k2 exist, then this u bar is a linear combination of v1 bar and v2 bar. Okay. Now we will solve this. This can be written as is equals to k1. Put the values of v1 bar and v2 bar plus k2 into v2 bar is 0, -1, 2. Okay. Simplify it. We will get this is a vector -1, -4, 1 is equals to. Multiply throughout k1. We will get k1, 2k1, 3k1. Okay. Plus this is 0 minus k2, 2k2. Okay. Simplify this. We will get this is vector -1, -4, 1 is equals to. Take component wise addition. This first is k1. Here is k1. k1 plus 0. Second component is 2k1 minus k2. 2k1 minus k2. Comma 3k1 plus 2k2. Students, see here these two vectors are same, means corresponding components are equal. So k1 is equals to -1, 2k1 minus k2 is equals to -4, 3k1 plus 2k2 is equals to what? 1. Okay. So solve this system of equations. See here, students. Suppose this is equation number 1, this is 2 and this is 3. 1 implies k1 is equals to -1. If we put k1 is equals to -1 in 2 or 3, we get the value of k2. So put k1 is equals to -1 in equation 2. What we will get? We will get 2 into -1 minus k2 is equals to -4. So this is -2 minus k2 is equals to -4. This is minus k2 is equals to -2. That implies k2 is equals to 2. If we put k2 is equals to 2 and k1 is equals to -1, what we will get? 3 minus 3 plus 4 means 1 is equals to 1. Means value of k1 and k2 satisfy equation 2 and 3 simultaneously. So therefore k1 is equals to -1 and k2 is equals to 2, which satisfy all the above three equations. three equations. Therefore u bar is equals to -1 vector -1 comma -4 comma 1 is equals to -1 into v1 bar plus 2 into v2 bar. Means what? U bar can be written as linear combination of v1 bar plus v2 bar. Therefore u bar is a linear combination of v1 bar and v2 bar. Okay. Now we will solve part B. In part B, first of all I will write here. We have v1 bar is equals to what? Vector 1 comma 2 comma 3 and v2 bar is equals to vector 0 comma -1 comma 2. We have to show that 4 7 15 is linear combination of v1 bar and v2 bar. Okay. So the solution of this problem. Here for u bar is, let u bar is equals to vector 4 7 15. Okay. There must be scalars. There must be scalars k1 comma k2 such that vector 4 comma 7 comma 15 is equals to u1 plus k1 into v1 bar plus k2 into v2 bar. Okay. If k1 and k2 are exist, then this u bar is a linear combination of v1 bar and v2 bar. If k1 and k2 does not exist, then u bar is not a linear combination of v1 bar and v2 bar. Okay. So this is vector 4 comma 7 comma 5 is equals to k1 into v1 is nothing but vector 1 comma 2 comma 3 plus k2 into 0 comma -2. Okay. So this implies 4 7 5 is equals to k1 plus 0. So this is again 2k1 minus k2 comma 3k1 plus 2k2. Okay. So equating corresponding components, we get k1 is equals to 4, 2k1 minus k2 is equals to what? 7, 3k1 plus 2k2 is equals to 15. Sorry, here is 15. Okay. Solve this 15. See here. Suppose this is equation 1, this is 2 and this is 3. 1 implies k1 is equals to 4. Okay. Put k1 is equals to 4 in equation 2. We get 2 into 4 minus k2 is equals to 7. So 2 into 4 is 8 minus k2 is equals to 7. That implies k2 is equals to 1. Okay. If we put k2 is equals to 1 in k2 is equals to 1 and k1 is equals to 4 in this equation, what we will get? 3 into 4 plus 2 into 1. So this is 2, which is equals to 50. This is 3 into 4 is 12 plus 2 is 14. But 14 does not equals to 50. Means what? K1 is equals to 4 and K2 is equals to 1. Does not satisfy the third equation. Suppose call this system as star. equation of star. Okay, hence it is inconsistent, means this system has no solution. Hence it is inconsistent. Okay, therefore there are no such scalars. Here I will write down. Therefore there are no such scalars k1 comma k2 such that u bar can be written as k1 v1 bar plus k2 v2 bar. Therefore u bar is not a linear combination of v1 bar and v2 bar. Okay, I hope all of you understand how to solve the problems of linear combination. Okay, let us see one more example. Example 2. Let v1 bar is equals to order pair 1 0 and v2 bar is equals to order pair 0 1. B2 vectors in R2. B2 vectors in R2 show that every vector in R2 is a linear combination of v1 bar and v2 bar. B. Okay. First we will solve A, then I will write A and solve it. Okay. Here we have given v1 bar and v2 bar. We have to show that every vector in R2 is of the form order pair AB. Let A order pair AB be arbitrary vector in R2. Okay, so this arbitrary vector AB can be expressed as A into 1 0 plus B into 0 1. Okay. Here I will write. Then order pair AB can express order pair AB is equals to A 1 0 plus B into 0 1. Means if we take component wise addition, we will get order pair AB is equals to order pair AB. This shows that order pair AB is a linear combination of order pair 0, 1 and 1, 0. Means what? Every vector in R2, always remember that, students, every vector in R2 is a linear combination of 0, 1 and 1, 0. Okay. Now we will see what is B. B is, let u bar is equals to vector 1, 1, 1, v bar is equals to vector 1, 1, 0 and w bar is equals to vector 1, 0, 0. B three vectors B three vectors in R3. The three vectors in R3 show that 3 vector 3 2 1 is linear combination of u bar comma v bar comma w bar. Okay. Solution. See here students, we have given u bar, v bar and w bar, three vectors in R3. We have to show that this vector is a linear combination of u bar, v bar and w bar. Okay. To show that vector 3 comma 2 comma 1 is linear combination of u bar, v bar and w bar, we have to show that there exist scalar k1 comma k2 comma k3 such that vector 3 comma 2 comma 1 is equals to k1 into u1 bar plus k2 into here not u1 u bar v bar plus k3 into w bar. Okay, this is equals to k1. This is vector 2 3 comma 2 comma 1 is equals to k1 into u bar. U bar means what? Vector 1 comma 1 comma 1 plus k2 into vector v bar means 1 comma 1 comma 0 plus k3 into vector w bar. W bar is 1 comma 0 0. Okay. Therefore vector 3 comma 2 comma 1 is equals k1 plus k2 plus k3 comma k1 plus k2, take component wise addition, k1 plus k2 comma k1. Okay. Equating the corresponding components, we will get k1 plus k2 plus k3 is equals to 3. k1 plus k2 is equals to 2 and k1 is equals to 1. Solving these equations for k1, k2, k3. Suppose this is 1, 2 and this is 3. 3 implies k1 is equals to 1. Put k1 is equals to 1. Put k1 is equals to 1 in equation 2. We will get k1 1 plus k2 is equals to 2. That implies k2 is equals to 1. Okay. Put k2 is equals to 1 in equation 1. We will get k1 is equal k3 is equals to 1. Okay. So we will get values. Therefore k1 is equals to 1, k2 is equals to 1 and k3 is also 1. Okay. Therefore vector 3 2 1 can be written as k1. K1 means what? K1 is 1, so it is u bar plus k2 is 1 v bar plus w bar. So I will write here 1 into and this is 1 into. So vector 3 2 1 can be written as a linear combination of u bar v bar w bar. Therefore this vector 3 2 1 is a linear combination of u bar plus v bar plus w bar. Okay. Now we will see definition of linear span. Definition: let V be a vector space. Let V be a vector space and S is equals to set of vectors v1 bar and so on up to vr bar. Okay, be a set of vectors, be a set of vectors, be a set of vectors in V. Okay, then the set of all linear combinations, then the set of all linear combinations of the vectors v1 bar comma v2 bar and so on up to vr bar is called linear span of the set S and is denoted by L of S or lim of S. Okay, very small n. Thus, L of S is the set of all K1 V1 bar plus K2 V2 bar plus and so on plus KR VR bar. Okay, such that K1 comma K2 and so on up to KR are scalars. Okay, students, see here, V be a vector space and S be the set of vectors in V. Then the set of all linear combinations of the vectors V1 bar, V2 bar and so on up to V bar is called linear span of set S and it is denoted by L of S. L of S is the set of all vectors which of the form these. Okay. Let us write down note is first note is we also say that linear span of S is spanned by set S. Linear span of S is spanned by set S. Second, from above definition, second note is linear span of the empty set. Linear span of the empty set is defined to be the zero vector, that is linear span of phi is equals to singleton 0. Okay, linear, because this phi does not contain any element, so there is no need to find out K1, K2. So that's why linear span of phi is singleton 0. Okay. So take example. Linear span of S is the set of all linear combination of the vectors V1 bar, V2 bar and VR bar. Okay. Let us take example. Example 1. Show that the vector V1 bar is equals to vector 1 comma 1 comma V2 bar is equals to vector 0, 1, 1, and v3 bar is equals to vector 0, 1, minus 1. Span R3. Span R3. Okay. Means what? These three vectors span R3 means what? Every vector in R3 can be written as a linear combination of V1 bar, V2 bar and V3 bar. Okay. Solution. To show that V1 bar, V2 bar and V3 bar span R3, we have to show that every vector in R3 is a linear combination of V1 bar, V2 bar and V3 bar. Okay. So if let vector A, B, C belongs to R3. Suppose this is the vector in R3. We have to show that there exist scalars K1, K2, K3 such that what this vector A, B, C can be written as linear combination of K1 V1 bar plus K2 V2 bar plus K3 V3 bar. Okay. Simplify this, we will get A, B, C. K1 V1 is vector 1, 1, 1 plus K2 V2 is vector 0, 1, 1 and K3 is vector 0, 1, minus 1. Okay. Here we will get vector ABC is equal to K1 plus 0, K2 plus K3. Second is K1 plus K2 plus K3 and last component is K1 plus K2 minus K3. Okay, equating corresponding components, so we will get K1 is equals to that implies K1 is equals to A, K1 plus K2 plus K3 is equals to B, K1 plus K2 minus K3 is equals to C. Okay. Solving these equations for K1, K2, K3. Solve these equations for K1, K2, K3. Write down, this is in the form of matrix representation. So we will get here K1 is 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1 into K1, K2, K3 is equals to A, B, C. Write down augmented form of this matrix. We will get augmented form is 1, 0, 0, 0, here is 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, A, B, C. Okay. Solve this augmented matrix. We will get the values of, this is homework to you. Obtain augmented matrix, obtain row echelon form of this matrix and find out the values of K1, K2, K3. Here we will get K1 is equals to A, K2 is equals to 1 by 2 B plus C and K3 is equals to 1 by 2 into B minus C. Okay. Means what? Here we have to get values of K1, K2, K3. Therefore, vector A, B, C is linear combination of v1 bar, comma v2 bar, comma v3 bar. Since vector ABC is arbitrary vector in R3. ABC is arbitrary vector in R3. Therefore, R3 is a subset of linear span of S. Means every vector in R3 can be written as linear combination of v1 bar, v2 bar and v3 bar, and L of S is the set of all linear combinations of v1 bar, v2 bar and v3. That's why R3 is a subset of linear span of S. But L of S is always subset of R3. Therefore, we will get L of S is equals to R3. Okay. Let us take next example. Second example. Show that vector v1 bar is equals to vector 2 minus 1 3, v2 bar is equals to vector 4 comma 1 comma 2, and v3 bar is equals to vector 8 comma minus 1 comma 8. Do not span R3. Okay. Students, see here, if v1 bar, v2 bar and v3 bar span R3. Okay. For any vector ABC in R3, there must exist scalars K1, K2, K3 such that ABC is equals to K1 V1 bar plus K2 V2 bar plus K3 V3 bar. Okay. ABC is equals to K1 into V1 bar is vector 8 minus 1 8 plus K2 into V2 bar is vector 2 comma minus 1 comma 3. V3 bar K3 into V3 bar is, here V1 is 2 comma minus 1 comma 3, V2 is 4 comma 1 comma 2 and K3 is 8 comma minus 1 comma 8. Okay. Simplify this and equating corresponding components, so we will get 2K1 plus 4K2 plus 8K3 is equals to 8 minus K1 plus K2 minus K3 is equals to B, and 3K1 plus 2K2 plus 8K3 is equals to C. Okay. Write down matrix representation of this system. We will get 2 2 4 8 minus 1 1 minus 1 3 to 8. Okay, into matrix K1, K2, K3 is equal to matrix A, B, C. Okay. Write down the augmented matrix 2, 4, 8 A, minus 1, 1, minus 1 B, 3, 2, 8 C. Okay. Obtain reduced row echelon form of this matrix. You will see that values of K1, K2 you will see that there are no scalars which satisfy this system. Okay, therefore this is homework to you. Obtain reduced row echelon formulas and check values of K1, K2, K3 does not satisfy system star. So V1 bar, V2 bar and V3 bar do not span R3. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.